Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Editor. First, open the application and create a new project. You'll then familiarize yourself with the user interface, which typically includes a project panel, a timeline, and a preview monitor. After that, import your media files, such as videos, images, and audio, into your project. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing workflow. Now, let's dive into essential editing tools. You'll learn to trim and cut clips on the timeline with precision, ensuring your footage starts and ends exactly where you intend. Arrange these clips in a logical sequence to craft a compelling narrative. Finally, add smooth transitions between your clips to ensure a seamless visual flow, making your video professional and engaging for your audience. To truly elevate your project, focus on enhancements. Apply color correction and grading to improve the visual appeal, making your footage vibrant and consistent. Adjust audio levels, remove unwanted noise, and integrate background music for a polished sound experience. Don't forget to incorporate text, titles, and graphics to convey additional information or emphasize key points, adding another layer of professionalism. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Choose the appropriate export settings based on where your video will be viewed, whether it's for social media or a high-definition display. Select your desired resolution, perhaps 1920 by 1080 pixels, and a frame rate like 24 frames per second, along with the optimal file format. Render your project and proudly share it with your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.